Yes, guys, we are back again with our conclusion video. Yes, this is our conclusion. When we left our video, remember, guys, I told you that for your for your tile number 6, it will consist of this, right? I hope that was clear. Then let's look at find the formula to calculate the length of yellow squares in terms of length L. Well, for yellow, we have a pattern here. Here's the pattern with a constant difference. We call this a linear pattern. So since it's a linear pattern, you name this a difference B, and you name this first term B plus C. No? So you're going to say B is equals to 2. Then your first term is B plus C, which was 1 under yellow tiles. So where there's B, you put 2 plus C, which is equals to 1. Take C to the other side. That will be 1 minus 2, which will be negative 1. So the formula here will be yellow is equals to, you may ask yourself this. Remember, the general formula for this linear pattern is Bn plus C. Your B is 2 and your C is negative 1. So in terms of, since they said yellow in terms of L, length L, meaning that where there's N here, you replace it by L. So it's going to be 2y. It's going to be y is equals to 2L minus 1. So you get that beautiful 2 marks, right? You get that beautiful 2 marks. I hope that's clear. So now white squares in terms of tile N, number N. White squares in terms of tile number N. Let's look at the white squares. The white squares, the formula, the pattern was this. So it has 2 difference. We name this 2A, and we name this A plus B, which is the second, the first difference, and we name 1 A plus B plus C, which is the first term. So we are going to say 2A is equals to 1. For us to get A, you divide by 2. So A will be equal to 1 half when you divide by 2. Then where there's B, you replace it by half. Where there's A, I mean you replace it by half plus B, which is equals to the first term. So this will be 3 all over 2. So what is 1 minus 3 all over 2? That will be negative half, right? So that will be negative half. That will be negative half. Then, so we are going to say half plus negative half. We follow this notation here. Plus 1. So from here, we are going to say half plus negative half, that's 0. 0 plus C is it's going to be C, which is equals to 1. So let's see how we are going to write this. Since they said that we need to find a formula for white squares in terms of n. Remember, we have Tn, which is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So white squares form what we call a quadratic pattern. So our a was half n squared, our b it's negative half n, our c was a positive 1. So that's how you can answer 3.1.3.2. 3.1.1.2. So we are going to the last question, right? Which is 3.1.4. For 3.1.4, guys, they said they use the formula you find in 3.1.3.2. Deduce the formula to calculate the number of red squares. Show all your workings and explain your thinking, right? So here I'm going to use the white square in terms of tile number n. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this formula since they wanted me to use this formula. So now I will have to find the formula for red squares, right? For the red squares, guys. For the red squares, we did find a formula for the red squares. Remember, we are going to use the rate squares, since they want us to find the rate squares, right, which will be explained in the upcoming video. So let me cut it here. Then our conclusion video will be the third one, right? Hope you saw that, guys. So let's wrap it here, then see you on the next video.